In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect ShopWired with social media, and by the end, you'll understand how to streamline your online store's integration and expand your customer reach. So, whether you're new to ShopWired or looking for better ways to promote your store, stick around. This guide has you covered. First thing you need to know, ShopWired is a powerful e-commerce platform, but when it comes to social media integration, it doesn't always feel like the easiest setup. However, once you know the steps, it's pretty straightforward. Let's jump into it. To start, you'll want to link your ShopWired account to your social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram. Go to your ShopWired admin panel and navigate to the marketing section. From here, you'll find the options to link to social accounts. But be aware, you'll need the right permissions, especially for Instagram shopping features. This integration can take a few moments, and if you haven't already set up a business profile on Instagram or Facebook, you'll need to do that first. Keep in mind that not all features are available in every country. Next thing, you'll want to set up product catalogs to make sure your inventory is synced. Once your ShopWired store is linked with Facebook, it will automatically generate a product catalog. This allows you to create ad campaigns directly from your social media platforms. But here's where things get tricky. ShopWired's product catalog integration is not as seamless as some of its competitors. Some users report that the sync process can take longer than expected, and products may not appear in your Facebook shop right away. The third thing, after connecting, setting up your Facebook pixel is crucial for tracking customer behavior. This tool allows you to analyze your customer interactions and optimize your ads. To set up the pixel, go to Facebook's Events Manager, grab the pixel ID, and input it into your ShopWired dashboard. Be careful here. If you don't set this up correctly, you could miss out on crucial data, leading to poorly optimized ad campaigns. Fourth thing, Instagram shopping. If you're looking to make your products available directly on Instagram, this feature is essential. To connect Instagram shopping, you'll need to have a product catalog already synced and an Instagram business account. While ShopWired does allow for this integration, it can feel a bit less intuitive than other e-commerce platforms like Shopify, which have better established Instagram shopping support. Now, let's talk about the limitations. ShopWired offers solid integrations, but it's not as robust as some of its competitors when it comes to social media automation and advanced ad targeting. If you're running a business that heavily depends on social media marketing, you might want to look into alternatives that provide more seamless integration and marketing tools. Platforms like Shopify and BigCommerce provide built-in social media features, making it easier to reach your audience and track conversions without too much manual effort. So, what's the best option here? While ShopWired is a great platform for getting started, there are better options out there if you're looking for more advanced features. Platforms like Shopify give you more flexibility with social media integrations, easier access to customer data, and enhanced ad management tools. Shopify's ecosystem is much more extensive, and for businesses heavily investing in social media marketing, it's worth considering. However, don't worry, I've got an exclusive extended free trial for Shopify through our link in the description, so you can try it out and experience the difference for yourself. And if ShopWired still sounds appealing to you, they also offer a free trial to test the waters. Remember, we've made sure that you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits by using the link in the description. This deal is only available to our viewers, so take advantage of it.